geobyte.
Dear students, look at the another important question. Try to read it clearly. If the percentage errors in measuring the length and diameter of a wire are 0.1% each, that means the percentage of the error in diameter is equal to 0.1%. Percentage of the error in length also equal to 0.1%. The percentage error in measuring its resistance will be, what is the percentage of the error in the resistance? That's what he is asking. For that, let us take the relation between the resistance, length of the wire and area of the wire. Resistance are equal to rho L by A, where rho be the resistivity. Here, nothing is spoken regarding the resistivity. Therefore, we need not to consider the percentage of the error in the resistivity. So, it can be also written as R equal to rho L. Let us write the area in terms of diameter, because percentage of the percentage in diameter given 5/4 into t square. From this, I can say that resistance is proportional to L by t square. L by t square. Then let us write in terms of percentage of the error, delta R by R equal to delta L by L plus 2 into delta D by D. Okay? Or delta R by R into 100 equal to delta L by L into 100 plus 2 into delta D by D into 100. It is equal to delta L by L into 100, 0.1% plus 2 into 0.1%. So finally it is 0.3%. That is the percentage of the error in resistance. Option B. Option B is absolutely correct. Okay. Similarly, let us take the another question. Try to read it clearly. It is asked like this. A vector has magnitude same as that of A bar equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap and is parallel to B bar equal to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap. The x and y components of this vector in the first quadrant are x and 3 respectively. What is the value of this x? What is the value of this x? That is the question, right? Here, indirectly he is asking what is the what is the x value. For that, let us decide the magnitude of A. Magnitude of A equal to, since A is given, A bar is given, 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. I can say 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5. Okay. Then the unit vector of B equal to, right, 4 I cap plus 3 j cap dividing by root over 4 square plus 3 square. It is equal to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap dividing by the 5. This 5. So finally it is 4 by 5 I cap plus 3 by 5 j cap. Now let us find the magnitude of the vector A multiplied with the unit vector B. Unit vector B. So it is equal to 5 into unit vector B equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5 I cap plus 3 by 5 j cap. Simplify it. It is, right, 4 I cap plus 3 j cap. J cap. Here y component. Here y component is given 3. What is the x component? So this is the y component. that is given with x component. X component x equal to 4. That is the answer. Answer is answer is 4. Answer is 4. Okay. Similarly, look at the another important question. It is asked like this. A physical quantity Q is found to depend on quantities like A, B and C by the relation Q equal to A power 4, B power 3 by C square. The percentage error in A, B and C. Percentage of the error delta A by A into 100 given. Delta B by B into 100 given. Delta C by C into 100 also given. Delta A by A into 100 is 3%. Delta B by B into 100 is 4%. Delta C by C 5%. Okay. Here it is given Q rate Q equal to A power 4 plus BQ by C square. In terms of percentage of the error, delta Q by Q, delta Q by Q into 100 equal to 4. एक minute. Here it is delta Q by Q into 100 is equal to 4 delta A by A into 100 plus 3 delta B by B into 100 plus 2 delta C by C into 100. 4 into delta by A into 100 is, this is a 3 percentage plus 3 into 4 percentage plus 2 into 5 percentage. Simplified. It is 12 plus 12 plus 10. It is 34 percentage. Look at the option C. Option C is absolutely correct. Are you following clearly? Yes. Similarly, look at the another important question. It is asked like this. The resistance R equal to V by I. V given. V equal to 200 plus or minus 5. It is in volts. Current I equal 20 plus or minus zero point 0.2 amps. The percentage error in the measurement of R. Since R equal to V by I given, delta R by R equal to delta V by V plus delta I by I, or delta R by R into 100, for getting in percentage of the error, delta V by V into 100 plus delta I by I into 100. Delta V 5 by 200. 5 by 200 into 100 plus zero point 0.2 by 20 into 100. Simplify it. Right, simplify it. It is 5 by 2, 2.5 plus 2 5 times 1. It is 3.5 percentage. That is the answer. 3.5%. Look at the option A. Option A is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Similarly, look at the another question. A vector in xy plane makes an angle of 30 degrees with y-axis. XY plane. Let that vector is A, making an angle 30 degrees with y-axis. The magnitude of y component of vector is 2 root 3. Y component, that means A, see now AY equal to 2 root 3. The magnitude of vector will be, okay. So with respect to y-axis it is 30 degrees. Then what about with respect to x-axis? It is 60 degrees. Then AX equal to A cos 60, AY equal to A sin 60. indirectly ay equal to a sin 60 is equal to 2 root 3. A sin 60 root 3 by is equal to 2 root 3. This 3 cancel. A equal to 4. A equal to 4. That is the magnitude of the vector. But options are not available. Option is not available as 4. So indirectly it may be asking the x component of velocity. X component of velocity ax equal to a cos 60 degrees. A cos a 4 cos 60 degrees root 3 cos 60 degrees root 3 by 2 cos 60 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 it is 2 times 2 root 3 cos 61 by 8 minutes sorry cos 60 8 minute should be very careful. So 4 cos 61 by 2 it is 2 times 2 that is the x component of velocity. That is not magnitude of vector, that is the x component of right vector, magnitude of the x component of vector. I hope you got my point. C correct. Similarly, look at the another important question. Try to read it clearly. Three forces F1, F2 and F3 are acting on a particle of mass 5 kg. Mass of the particle given 5 kg. The forces F2 and F3 are applied respectively so that particle remains at rest. Okay, the forces F2 and F3 are applied perpendicularly. The forces F2 and F3 are applied perpendicularly so that particle remains at rest. If the force F1 is removed, then acceleration of the particle. Very simple. If F1 is removed, only two forces are acting. This is F2, this is the F3. Angle between these two, 90 degrees. The resulting force may be somewhere here. That is the resultant force. That resultant force, let it be F. Resultant force R equal to F equal to root under F2 square plus F3 square. Because right angle between them is 90 degrees. It is F2. F2 is 8 square plus F3 6 square. So F equal to root under 64 plus 36 equal to 100. But F equal to MA. F equal to MA. Right? MA. So from this I can say that A equal to force by mass. Force is 100. Mass how much it is given? What is the mass is it given? Mass 3 forces. The acceleration of the particle is 8 minute. 5 kg. 100 by 5 20. 100 by 5 100 by 5. It is root 100 10 8 minute. Okay. Very good. These are 10 newtons. Root 100 equal 10 newtons. 10 by 10 by 5 equal to 2. 10 by 5 equal to 2 meter per second square. Look at the option D. Option D is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.